Hello, this is Amrita, the General Manager, and today's session, as you already know, is about the tech news, right? So we were really, really looking forward to what everybody has, like what content all of you have. So all the best to everybody, and we'll start off with one person each. And as I've already mentioned, everyone will be having around 7 minutes, okay, tops. So make sure that you get that timeline, and that's it. All right. So 1 second. So we'll start off with Manisha. And I would really request all of you to turn on your cameras, okay, so that everybody is visible. And also, if I'm not audible to anybody, please let me know. Can I get a hello from everybody?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Oh gosh, oh my gosh. How about the rest? I see Ali here, I see Aravind, I see Bhavani, I see Mahinder, Manisha. What about you guys? Are you active right now?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. Uh, okay, Manisha just left. No problem. Varsha, will you start?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Uh,
Yeah, 1 minute.
sure. And please press the screen. And I can't see you.
Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen.
So,
Is my screen visible, ma'am?
yes, it is. Please
Yeah. So
introduce yourself first. Yeah.
yeah. So good afternoon, everyone. This is Varsha, and today I'm going to walk you through Apple's revolutionary leap into the world of artificial intelligence. As you can see the in screen, and let's discover how Apple is transforming its ecosystem using AI. So here in the introduction, I would say WWDC 2025 was not just another developer event, but it was a turning point. Apple introduced Apple Intelligence, a deep and thoughtful integration of AI and into everyday tasks across iPhones, iPad, MacBook, and even Apple Watches. So let me tell you about Apple Intelligence is not just a single feature. It's a suite of tools where from generating personalized emojis called Gen emoji to summarizing emails and translating languages uh, live or even screening spam calls. It is so yeah. And in slide 4, you can see the intelligence flows seamlessly across apps and devices. So, if you need to scan through long emails, Mail will summarize them. And if you want help replying to a message, AI suggests replies also. And in Safari, you will get intelligent highlights and context about what you are reading. So, the goal of Apple Intelligence is to save time and stay focused. And here you can see Apple also introduced visual intelligence, a feature that lets your iPhone understand that what your photos and even suggestive actions according to the photos. So and complementing to this is the new liquid glass design, giving iOS and Mac OS a sleek, fluid look, which is visually stunning. And in benefits, I would like to say that productivity it will help you when you need it without privacy concerns, and Apple Intelligence makes your devices more personal, understanding context, offering suggestions, and staying out of the way until it needed. And here you can see uses of in Apple Intelligence. So imagine starting your day with your iPhone summarizing your mail, or your Apple Watch guiding you workout, and messages helping you respond faster. So from communication and creativity to fitness and translation, Apple Intelligence touches every part of your daily routine. And Of course, no innovation is without its limit, so we'll see drawbacks here. So the much anticipated Siri upgrade is delayed to early 2026. So also many features only work on the latest devices like iPhone and 15 Pro. So this is the drawback of Apple Intelligence, and comparing Apple Intelligence with other AI platforms. So while Google and Microsoft had jumped into the uh, AI head first with tools like Gemini and Copilot, Apple is taking a more cautious steps and thoughtful path. It may be slower, but it's built around trust, usability, and design. So this was my PPT. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, ma'am. I'm done with my PPT.
Much. I do have a question right now. So, am I audible? Am I not audible?
Yeah, ma'am. Your voice is breaking a little bit.
Oh, right now?
Yeah, yeah. Now it's clear.
Okay. So, I wanted to ask, so while you were making this presentation and gathering information, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about the whole perspective of this? Is this like beneficial or is this something that is not so necessary?
Yeah, so like for Apple users, it's of course a beneficial to have a Apple Intelligence, so they can guide you, summarizing your long emails, and like I told you before about the how it is a part of our daily routine.
Mhm.
Yeah, so this helps Apple users who are already using Apple.
Okay. So, do you think Android should also be introducing something like this? Is it that important or is it something that can be neglected?
Of course it is like beneficial if Android users also get like this, because it will make your work easier and it will help save time and energy.
Okay. Okay, Varsha, thank you. Thank you for your presentation.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Next, we'll move on to Alif. Alif, are you here?
Yeah, ma'am, just a moment.
All right. And I would like you to also, turn on your camera.
Okay, ma'am, just a moment.
No problem.
Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, Alif, you are visible. Please share your
Um,
screen and continue.
okay, ma'am, just can you see this, ma'am?
Yes, but I just see that the screen sharing. Yeah, now it's better.
Okay, ma'am. So, just a minute. So, good morning. It's afternoon. Right? Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alif, and I am here to discuss about the tech news that we have recently seen booming right now. So, first, our agenda is taking on the insights of tech news around the globe and presenting it to you in an understandable way. And so, first slide is about Android 16, which was given on June. So let's start with Android 16, which just received a powerful June update. June update, like live notifications, like you could just track down the food deliveries or any ride shares in the lock screen. And device wise, Google is out out on a more fluid and colorful experience. And how do I put it? Security wise, the accessibility and front of the center and advanced protection modes, port blocking, and scam detection through AI has been established by the I mean Android. And the next slide I would like to, not next slide, but Android is basically owned by Google, and Google also produces the phones like Pixel, and Pixel feature drops new features every year. And in this year, they have increased their battery health indicator. They have increased their battery health, and they have introduced that battery has some health indicator. And for creative people, they have introduced Gboard AI stickers and generative how do I put it generative I'm not able to put it down in a sentence, but let's go to the next slide. The iOS and their new update on iOS 16 and Liquid Glass. Switching gears to Apple iOS, and they have introduced the new how do I put it update they have updated their new software system, which runs dynamically smooth in new watch OS, TV OS, and Mac OS. And they have increased their assistance features like live translations in messages and calls, hold assistants like Siri, and virtual intelligence like how do we use if we see a product in a phone, we just drag and pull it to just know what kind of product it is. And they have also introduced new games, and they have increased their how do I put it car play, other streaming platforms like CarPlay Ultra and CarPlay Ultra, Maps, wallets, and music features. And so let's get to the next part of the slide. And Xscale supercomputers. It has invested over 750 pounds in the new project of Edinburgh University, which introduced Arc 2 targeting the operations within 2 years and selling selling through AI. And the computer has made a new discovery. The computer can recognize any kind of drug, and fusion researchers. Additionally, £1 billion dedicated to AI computing resources, uh, which is really good. And the machine will the additional and AI somewhere, and also it has poured into building new AI infrastructure in Bristol and Cambridge, which would help the students to learn more through innovative way, and make them corporate ready. So that was me, and thank you.
Okay, thank you for your presentation, Alif.
Thank you.
I do have few questions here.
Yeah, ma'am.
Let's speak about first, the topic was about Android 16, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So while you were researching about it, did you also see if Android 16 is supported or supportive to all the phones or not, all Android phones?
Yeah, basically, Android, most of the system that works I mean, like most of like Apple uses its own silicon and own software like iOS, and most of the phones use Android 16 or below the version. So it would be really helpful for the consumers to have those kind of new features.
Yeah, but currently, is it supporting? Is the phones all or like all? How do I say? Model phones are supporting Android 16, or are they not right now currently?
The phones which are above 4 GB RAM and 250 228 GB ROM. They kind of support this new Android 16. The below phones which are below 3 GB 3 GB RAM, they doesn't support Android 16. So it will be hard for people who own this 3 GB phone. So
Okay, okay. But do you really think that it would be the memory problem, or it would be the company that needs to introduce it into their model phones as well?
it's basically not the memory problem, it's the interface that runs very fastly. So the interface is huge, and it is very smooth, and how do I put it, very interactive with the consumer. So it would take a lot of space, and the more ROM it would move, if it would really help the consumer to have a smooth experience. So that's the reason they don't provide it to all the consumers of this
Oh,
product.
okay.
Yeah, Alif, could you explain more briefly about hold assistant mode in iOS?
Sorry.
Could you explain hold assistant mode, which is present in iOS, very
Acha,
briefly?
hold assistant mode. The hold assistant mode, like I mean Siri. Uh, the Siri
You move to
basically.
that slide and you keep there.
Sorry.
You can open that slide where you have about Apple right now and the liquid glass. Uh,
Acha.
and then you can explain about the hold assist feature right now.
Just a minute. Uh, hold assistant. Robot host. Okay. So basically, this system basically the hold assistant basically is a software where you can screen we can screen people who are like spam calling you, and spam calling you. So it would be really helpful for the user to uh, just cut out them when they are having a
So Alif, basically call screening is different and hold assist is different.
okay.
Of them are two different features here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So call screening is the one that you did explain about, where any spam calls or anything about that specific contact will be displayed by the AI, also to give us a little more information about who is calling exactly, and based on that we can avoid the calls, right? But
Mm-hmm.
hold assist is different.
Okay.
So do you know anything exactly about the hold assist, or do you not? Is what I would.
No, no, not that deep into tech things. I'm
Oh.
not that tech savvy, so.
No, no problem. This is again only so that you can understand what is exactly happening in this daily world and what new have been introduced. Okay, because it would be really beneficial to know, even if you're not a tech savvy person, it is always good to know what is happening, right?
Yeah.
So it's good that you made this presentation, but again, a small thing, hold assist is again, as you did put in the presentation here,
Mm-hmm.
that a robot holds for you. So whenever your example, whenever you're on a call, that is whenever you're on a call with a customer service person,
Mm-hmm.
and they put you on hold.
Yeah.
Right. So you don't have to like sit there and wait until the hold is off.
That's
Like
it.
you
Okay.
never know when the hold is actually put out and they're talking to you, right?
Yeah.
What happens is, what this is like, the feature does for you is it puts the phone on hold, the call on hold for you. It plays a music until the call is on hold.
Acha, basically, it runs like a customer care. They just tell us to
Yeah, so
wait
it
for a few
plays the
minutes.
music for you, and as soon as the hold is off, it gives you a ring immediately to
Acha.
tell you that the person has unhold you and he's talking.
Mm-hmm.
That is how this feature works. But again, whenever you're making any presentation or anything, make sure that you're also going a little more deep into what that specific feature is, so that you actually know what you're presenting about. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am.
But
Okay.
rest of it is good. It's good that you made this presentation. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. let's move on. We'll move on
Vani.
to, yeah, Bhavani. Okay. Bhavani, are you here?
Yes, hi.
Hi, Bhavani. Can you turn on your camera and present your screen?
Yes, just a minute.
లో మాట్లాడి.
So, hi, and my sorry, hi. My name is Bhavani, and today's topic is about a new technology, tech news, and my topic is trending digital marketing strategies. So basically, it is trending nowadays, digital marketing. So my topic about digital marketing. So digital marketing is about online shopping and marketing on through online. So the dynamic digital frontier and hyper personalization and AI driven. So nowadays AI is more famous. So through digital marketing, the AI is also introduced nowadays, and how the AI works through online or digital marketing, and also short form video communicating with each other through long distance. We can communicate with people, and we can market over the world, and social.
Bhavani, can you explain a little more in detail about the information that you've gathered rather than just skipping
Yeah,
it?
like I have gathered summary. So I'm
Okay.
showing slides, and then I will.
You did mention about the AI robot in the fourth slide, right? Can you explain a little more about it?
So AI powered chatbot is like um, automatic. Um, so it understands itself, and it will guide us.
Okay,
Like,
so do you really think that AI chatbot that comes under digital marketing? Okay, is this a separate topic apart from, okay, digital marketing is one topic and AI chatbot is one topic, right? Or is it in the same section?
same section.
Okay. So how is AI chatbot related to digital marketing?
So like it understand concept, and it will clarify our doubts,
Okay.
and it will guide how to use, and if we don't know anything, it will show us what to do and how to do.
Okay. And where are AI chatbots used?
Like ads, website, like custom, like bank assistance.
Okay. And you find them very common in few websites, as you mentioned. Can you name one of the website? Okay, I'll give you an example, no problem.
Like Netflix, Amazon.
Okay. Okay, please continue, no problem. I'm sorry for interrupting. Please continue.
And to interact with friends, or else we can market the like anything marketing throughout the world through digital through online, and then shopping and connecting with people, and promoting any brands. like adapting new features. Nowadays, we no need not to go to the store. We can sit by one in one place and we can order anything. So digital marketing will help and will save the time. And like adapting for future success is like we are adapting to the new technology and new features. Um, like here we have that prioritized personalization. So and like as we got the AI, so it will help us interaction and it will guide us. Also, content we are like reels and TikToks, which are famous, and it will connecting and it will it is giving some content like which is funny or also like message oriented. So nowadays it is like more famous in content moderator and thinking about content, new content, and making the videos and integrating commerce like we can create channels and we can publish our brand or else anything which we want to sell, like clothing and makeup products or else anything. And like about the digital marketing, the summary is like hyper personalization. Um, so we are using data like information. We are taking the information through the customers, and it will take less time, and also we need not to go to the store or else we need not to go to the customers. We can do online itself. So there are many channels and all. There are many use like short form video and interacting social commerce. Sorry, commerce. And ethical sustainable marketing is like consumer increasing care about what brand stand for. Like if we introduce any brand, if it reaches to public, we can sell more or we can get more profit. And omni-channel experience is like it is a smooth and consistent experience. Um, Interact with brand like through website and any apps and social media and in personal stores. And purpose of using AI in digital marketing is like massive personalization. So here we have that AI shifts through huge amount of data, like your past purchases, and we can predict the past information, like is it is it giving profit or loss, and we can go forward or not. Like we can have the data and past purchases, and, and also like it will save time and smarter decision making. AI analyze champion performance in real time, identify what's working and what's not. So this is about digital marketing.
Okay, Bhavani. Thank you.
Thank you.
So who do you think should be adapting more to marketing their products or basically anything in digital?
Sorry.
Who do you think should mostly be adapting to digital marketing?
Like everyone, everyone
So
like working women or working people, they don't have times. Then sorry, digital marketing is like um, business means who can market their business.
Hmm. Okay. So do you think it is useful to everyone who wants to market their business, or are there any cons in this digital marketing sector?
No, it is useful for everyone. Like nowadays, like social media and digital is more, so it is helpful for all, and it will help us, and it will save time. So it is useful.
Okay. Do you think digital marketing platform is cost efficient compared to physically marketing your product?
Like it depends on the sale, or like online will be more cost rather than physical. So like it will um, give the product by coming near home, so it will charge the tax and it will charge the shipping amount.
Okay. Shipping again doesn't come under marketing. It comes, when the product is, being sent over. That is different. Marketing is again when the person doesn't know the product or wants to know more about the product, right? So again, as you said, yeah, it definitely depends upon the product and also where are they wanting to market. But again, compared to these times, as again you mentioned, right now everybody is going digital. Everybody they don't have time to go to that store personally and then know about it a little more. They want to Google it, or they want to just see an ad about it and then know about it, and then would think if they would like to purchase that product or not. Right. So yeah, digital marketing is definitely useful. And AI chatbots, yes, that was a good topic that you did, include in this. That is a recent, um, how do I say, introduction. But yeah, we have some such similar ones already. Like example, I think, Pranit, do you think the icons that the floating icons in the website are also AI chatbots, or are they different? Like WhatsApp or Facebook Connect, that also connect, like, hi, this is me. How can I help you? Those are also AI chatbots, right?
Yes.
So they have been introduced previously as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so no problems. I think that everybody is adapting to it right now. But that's a great thing. Good that you've made this presentation. But yes, the next time, please make sure that it's a little shorter and you also know in detail about every topic that you're speaking about. Okay. Again, as I've mentioned, all this presentation is only so that you guys can have an update about what is happening and you can learn a little more about it. Okay. Okay, Bhavani, thank you. Next, we'll shift to Sheikh, Sheikh Shahabuddin.
Yeah, hi. Let me share my.
Hello, Sheikh, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for
Okay,
asking.
great. Can you also share, I mean, like, turn on your camera?
Let me share my screen first. I hope my screen is visible now. So, hi everyone. My name is Sheikh Shabuddin, and I'll be presenting you like AI powered ad tools, reshaping like agencies, like ad agencies we are having, right? So, like this presentation like will give you a simple understanding of what these tools are, like why they are why they matters, like how they are changing like in advertising world. So to the next slide. So AI ad tools like our software that is used to create a digital. Uh, it helps digitally by creating the creating and managing and improving advertisements. For example, tools like Google Smart Bidding or and meta advantages like automatically adjust ads based on performance. This tool keep learning from user actions to give better results over time. So why agencies are using AI tool to create? So basically, if you want to create an ad, so the before no, before AI was introduced, people were using they are writing scripts. They are finding people for like what we can say actors, actresses, or whatever the products are there, right? So agencies are adopting AI tools because they want to save time and improve results. Ads can be created and tests faster audience and targeting more accurately. So and the performance will be the plus for them. So if you want to take some ad, right, it will take multiple for 1 week, maybe for example it will take 1 week. So by using AI, it will be very in some half a day also we can create an ad. Then in that case the cost will be less and the real time performance will be very good. So key tools changing the game so basically in most of the people in our say for real time only we in our organization like Vihara Tech only we are using chat GPT, Gemini and more Gamma for all the creating. Like some of the top tools these are there. So Google performance Max Plus ads across all Google platforms and design tools like Canva AI and Adobe. It helps visually quickly with the help of AI. So benefits we have some of the benefits only. So if we talk about the benefit, these tools bring big advantage. They save time, as I said, by doing routine tasks automatically. They also increase ROI, and which means more profit for less spending. Like in small budget, also we can create a good amount of ads, high quality ads. Like ads can now be personalized to each user, and small teams can handle more product which can be used by AI. So the future advertisement with AI, sorry. So basically, what we think the advertising will become even more automated and efficient. The best result will come from combined human creativity and AI speed. So basically, both are important here. So that's what I have prepared for today. Thank you.
Okay, that's amazing. Thank you so much, Sheikh. That was a really neat presentation. I do want to ask you, so currently, right, ChatGPT is there, and recently Gemini or Gemini has
Yeah.
also been introduced. So what is your view on Gemini right now? Like, do you think it's good? Or do you think it needs to improve? Or what are the improvements that if there are, what are the improvements that you want that are to be made?
I don't use Gemini mostly. I use ChatGPT. I can talk more about ChatGPT because
Okay.
for ChatGPT, I can in recent times in 2 3 days yesterday only, I have faces some errors some if you want to create some PPT also, it was saying some errors. Like I don't know what the error, but there is some error. I was
Mm.
not able to download the PPT
Mm.
so for presenting. So I think they need to improve. I don't know why, but because of the high load, I'm guessing because of the high load, that error was coming. And also in ChatGPT, if you want to create an image, it will take more time. Like text, if we
Yeah.
talk about text, right, it will generate instantly,
Mm.
like in seconds. But if you want to create image, AI image, if I want to say one cow is eating grass, I want that AI image, then it will take more time, it will take minutes of time, that they need to improve. And I think we are using basic chat gpt, but we have different types of versions available. I did not use that. I think in that version it will be better, or like that, I'm guessing.
Okay. So yes, I do agree with your point because I did trying. I did try creating an image in ChatGPT as well. I gave it an input and it took more than 10 minutes. Like,
Yeah,
and the image was not also created. It was still loading. So I don't know if the input was too much or what, but yeah, there are definitely other aspects that needs to be improved.
yeah.
But apart from that, you did also mention about Google Ads smart bidding, right? So what did you learn about the Google Ads smart bidding?
uh,
Did you do a little research on that or
no, I did not do. I just created using AI,
okay.
that ppt, but I think I'm not sure about it actually.
Okay. Do you know anything about Google Ads?
Google ads, I know about it. What they'll do, Google ad is like, if we want to promote something. So if you want to promote
Hmm.
something, we can we can create an ad. The ad is with us. So if you want to
Hmm.
promote that, we need to pay some premium to Google. So if we pay that premium, so first we have different days. Like if you want to promote that for 1 month, so we have different amount. So every day some amount will be deducted. So if we taken 500 rupees, what we can say, 500 rupees the purchase, then that 500 rupees will be divided into 30 days, and every day the ad will be shown to the audience. Then the amount will be deducted from our 500 rupees. There will be some process that I don't know exactly, but I know the concept.
Okay, so you did mention that we are being charged, and certain amount is being deducted every day, right? So how do you think that amount is deducted? Like why? I mean.
So basically, what happened? If we take a example, like if uh, if I am a what we can say, some uh, event management company. If we can take an example, I am an event management company. So I promote myself in Just Dial. Let's say I have this is a like one of my friend does this. So he's a event management. He does some event management. So if you want to promote him, he will be giving some certain amount to certain amount he will pay to Just Dial. So Just Dial will showcase, if I search in Google, show me the best event management company near me, like that. So in that our name will be coming. So if the customer calls us, then if per call, it's basically if he calls us, then the amount will be deducted. Like per click it will be deducted, like that, something like that will be there,
Yeah,
per click or
that's the answer that I was waiting for. So basically, you are charged per click. So
yeah,
even if you search for that ad and your name comes up, example, you're a company, okay, and you've paid a certain amount to Google Ads. Even if your name appears in the search list, you're not charged until
yeah,
unless the person clicks on the ad.
it's only ad,
So
yeah,
Google Ads generally what they do is they charge you per click. So
yeah.
again, it could be a relevant click, it could be an irrelevant click. That doesn't matter to
It's a
them. It's
good
all
lead
about
or a bad lead, doesn't matter.
exactly, exactly. So it's all about how they're showcasing your ads. That's it. So Yeah, again, I understand that's not something that is recent, and but that would be really a good aspect for anybody to learn, because showcasing your ads or learning more about Google Ads, that also comes under digital marketing, is also an important part. So again, it's all again, everybody, whoever, everyone has presented different topics today. Okay, I'm really glad that everybody prepared for it and made a presentation and did not skip, rather than skipping it. So that's hats off to everybody, that's good. um but I would also request all of you to example, you have presented one topic today, Bhavani has presented one topic, Varsha has presented one topic, so you did learn a little more about each everybody's presentation, right? So each topic. So I would also want you guys to dig in a little more about those topics, okay? So that you can also learn what exactly is happening, because not everyone can, basically go into learn everything, is what I mean. Just know a basic knowledge of what is happening, and next time whenever you're presenting, you'll have a little more detailed information about anything that you're putting through. Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else that anybody wants to say? Oh, I see Bindu is here. So, Bindu, can you present, please? Okay, I see Bindu has left. Did I miss out on anybody right now, or has everyone presented? Okay, it's only you three guys. All right, no problem. Thank you so much for today's session. We'll meet again on Monday. Okay. Uh, so Monday will be a group discussion, and we'll be giving a topic and everybody can speak on it. Okay, Bindu, you're back.
Well, ma'am, I finished it offline, ma'am. I just came to see.
Okay, Bindu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, that's it then. The update about the Monday's topic will let you know. Okay, and we'll see you then. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.